Wow, Times Square is so nice.
What do you do? In English. What is my life going to be?
What is this?
4 years of college and plenty of knowledge have earned me this useless
Anyone else
degree.
watching this?
I can't pay the bills yet.
What are you doing?
'Cause I have no skills yet. The world is a big scary
Hello?
place, but somehow I can't shake the feeling I might make
Hello?
a difference.
What are you, an actor?
What do you think?
Is this your stage?
This is my stage. This is Broadway.
Wow, these crazy Broadway enthusiasts.
Yeah, that's me.
What happened? Your career didn't
actually,
take off?
It's him. He's the Broadway enthusiast.
The puppet is talking about you as if you're two different people.
Yeah, he just holds me while I work.
What the? You know what? I'm an actor too. How about that?
You are?
Yes.
Okay. So, you're an actor.
Yes.
Prove it.
To the guy with the puppet in the rain.
Yes, to the guy with the puppet in the rain.
Oh, forget this.
What? Afraid of being an actor?
No, I just don't want to have to prove it to the guy with the puppet in the rain.
Well, you're gonna have to.
Why?
Because I said so. You're gonna have to prove it to the guy with the puppet in the rain.
Prove what?
That you're an actor.
Forget this.
You think you're getting away that easily. So, you're an actor. Prove it.
Is that Hamlet?
Yes.
No one reads Hamlet anymore.